Currently getting ready for Juliana's birthday brunch, but I really don't like the outfit I'm in, so I'm just gonna put on lip liner and see if that's the problem, because my whole face isn't done. If that's really not the problem, then I guess I'll be back and we'll figure out an outfit because I'm stressed. I still don't think I like my outfit. I think it's the shirt because it's like loose down here, and this is like so skin tight on my arms, and now I don't know what to wear. I really just bought this little white cover up. It has like little flowers on it. It's so cute, but I really don't know what to wear underneath it. Now I just have like this plain tube top from Cotton On, so it's a little baggy, and when you roll it up it looks like too thick. I'm struggling. Can you guys comment suggestions to wear underneath this, because it like ties like this, it's open. It's super cute and I'd love to wear it. I can't wear it like this, it kind of looks like doofy.
I swear I'm not to blame. You don't know my fun, it's off to work. You earn it, time to have any work.
I'm currently outside Ulta. From Ulta, I got a free gift. So cute, a little Ari lunchbox. How fucking cute is that? I feel like there's nothing in here. Yeah, there is nothing in here. But now I have an Ari lunchbox. Slay. And I only got that because I restocked on Rem and I got Burberry Her. Before I go to brunch, I'm going to get Juliana a little gift card from our favorite coffee store. So good. 2 new perfumes, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna get coffee too while I'm in there, because like might as well, right? Smile. Here, it's a little soggy.
I don't care, it's good.
And I have a card for you alone.
All the flowers in my garden.
Wait, you didn't cheers Tony yet. You guys have the same drink.
It's your birthday. So tweet yourself right. How many matches I can get through this?
I know. That's what I was thinking. I was like,
My life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Your hazel eyes shine bright like high beams on the 105. Your maple lips when kissed could gravitate the tides at night. We driving, hide our feelings on an open road. No satellite can find us anywhere we go. And when the tide arrives, I'll dive into your ocean slow. This is the moment we lose. Do you feel the energy? Body rock, slow jams are enemy.
Record that shit. Watch this, guys.
Jams are enemy. Do you feel the energy? Body rock, it beat to I see when we're together like the city, baby, we don't sleep. I got a down bad chick out in LA too, and she down for every day when she in the mood. I got my fans far east, they be holding me down. I got animosity for any hater.